Hi, Zach. This video is just to explain what the expectations are for you for credit recovery. Obviously, you'll want to go to the folder that has your name on it. And you'll see that there's just one unit that you need to complete, the energy unit. It's just kind of the one that looks like you missed during distance learning. So when you click it, you'll see some completion rules. There's 4 different parts that I split it up into. Part 1 will include a lesson on kinetic energy, a reading, and then a quick quiz. And so the rule is you'll always have to score at least 70% before moving on, and you get unlimited attempts on those quizzes. All right, after kinetic energy, a similar lesson is on potential energy. Sorry, someone's mowing lawn behind me. Part 2 has the introduction to the law of conservation of energy. You will hear other teachers' voices in some of these lessons, like Mr. Olson and Mr. Durand. And so you'll see there's a lesson, a reading, and then a short quiz again. In order to move forward, you will have to score that 70%. And then you'll have another short lesson with a quiz that goes along with it. So you'll kind of get the pattern here and kind of the completion rules. Part 3, we switch to kind of, you'll hear Mr. Durand's voice quite a bit. Just continue to move through the folders, scoring your 70%, and then moving forward. Again, you always have unlimited attempts. And then the final part of the energy unit really ends in an exam, which you'll also have to score 70%. Now this unit, even though you just have one unit to do, it's probably our biggest unit. So you're going to want to really make sure that you're checking off the boxes as you go and not, dilly-dallying too much. It is going to be a lot of work, but you can definitely do it in a week. Please reach out to me with any questions. Again, my email is Kelly, Kelly, .christensen@isd728.org. And that's all you'll have to do. As soon as you're done with your exam and you've scored your 70% or greater, that means you're done with credit recovery and you've completed it. So again, reach out with any questions via email. Thanks for watching.